Hello, my name is Natasha. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Here we discuss all things makeup, beauty, tips, tricks, and hacks. And today I'm going to be talking about a hack that I learned on TikTok. So if you're new here, be sure to hit that red subscribe button. Also leave a comment below and I will choose a random viewer and I will feature them in my next video. So let's get started. What is this hack that I am talking about? So for those of you who have not jumped on the TikTok trend yet, you are missing out on a lot of things that will waste your time and then a lot of things that will open up your eyes to the things that are possible, things that you didn't know about. So one of those things is a makeup hack that is supposed to make your makeup last all day and give you a flawless, perfect canvas. Apparently this is something that has been used in the beauty industry for years and it's been going around, but it just resurfaced on this platform, TikTok. I did a video about it on my TikTok, so if you want to go follow me at TikTok. I'm still learning. It's not that great. TikTok, I have a love-hate relationship with it, but it is a great platform overall, especially if you're trying to find new things and just be entertained in general. So this makeup hack, the girl, I'm going to link her TikTok account below, and it's also right here. She talks about first putting on a powder and then putting on a setting spray and then a primer and then applying your foundation. I did that in a video on my channel and I really loved the way that it looked, but I did sweat that day not long after. I did a little workout and I did see my makeup break up after that. So I'm going to change the routine around to something else that I saw somebody recommend, doing the primer first, then putting powder on, which I'm going to be using this Makeup Revolution, then doing a setting spray, and then applying your foundation and doing the rest of your face. So that product list kind of makes a little bit more sense to me, and it did to several other makeup beauty gurus, so that's what we're doing here today. So my face is clean. She did actually recommend to moisturize first, which you should moisturize first. Wash your face, moisturize every morning and at night. Be sure that you are having a clean face. Also at night, if you are cleansing, make sure you're cleansing well. I usually double cleanse, so I wash my face once and then I wash it again. Sometimes I'll wash it 3 times, and then I sometimes use an exfoliant, a liquid exfoliant, which I have a recommendation on one of those. It's by Paula's Choice. I'll leave a link to it below. It's really great so that you get all of the makeup out of your pores. I'm going to be using a moisturizer by a company called The Ordinary. It's really great. This is the Natural Moisturizing Factors plus HA, excuse me. I'm going to rub that in like normal. Okay, so now that that's done, the video said to use a powder lightly dusted on your face. We're going to switch it up and we're going to be using a primer first, since I already did that video and I know how it performs and it wasn't as great as it could be. The result though was really nice, so we'll be able to see if this one works out great. So I'm applying the primer all over my skin. I'm using this primer by Catrice, the Prime and Fine. I used the Maybelline Master Prime in 100 previously and that worked great. This Catrice primer is one of my favorites, so I'm using that for this video. So I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution powder. It is talc free and I'm kind of moving towards products that are a little bit healthier for my skin. I'm going to use other ones still, but I have a full review on this one and why I like it so much. I'll link that video below. So I'm going to take a little bit. It says to lightly dust the powder all over your face. I'm going to take it here on my brush and then I'm just going to tap off some excess, not to have too much, but still coated. And get a little bit better in my brush. So we're just going to lightly coat the entire face. Make sure that you get everywhere on your face with the powder. So next we are going to be taking a setting spray and spraying our whole face. I'm taking this one by Catrice. It's the HD Active Performance Freezing Spray, long wear edition. They have different types. This one's really good. I highly recommend this one. I've worn dewy foundations before that would usually go oily at the end of the day. I spray it with this in the morning and then it just lasts perfect and it's really great. So highly recommend this product. Let it dry. Okay, so all of the steps that are recommended are done. I'm going to be doing my whole face just like I normally would. After I apply my foundation, my concealer, everything, I'm going to set it with powder again. Essentially what I did with my face by applying the primer, the powder, and then the setting spray is I created a very smooth canvas that I sealed with the setting spray so that whenever I apply my foundation and my other products on top, it's like applying it onto a glass instead of applying it to like an orange peel. So it's supposed to be really smooth and flawless looking, and I have to tell you that it does exactly that. If you want to have absolutely beautiful skin, if you're going to be taking pictures or if you're going to go to an event or anything like that, or you just want to look flawless, highly recommend doing this. It did not clog up my pores. It did not make me break out. I'm very sensitive skin, so I could use this routine actually every single day if I had the time and if I wanted to do that. So it's really nice. This is also really nice if you wanted to do a pore-filled smooth face for just a natural makeup day. So I highly recommend this to add it to your beauty routine. It will change the way that your makeup looks and applies forever. Highly recommend. Okay, so we're going to go in with this Maybelline Dream Liquid Radiant Foundation, and we're going to apply it, and we're going to do the whole rest of my face. I'm going to do a little fast forward on this, so if you want to watch it, hang out. Also be sure to be subscribed to my channel if you have not yet, and give this video a thumbs up if you're liking it. My full face is on and my face looks so good. So that trick that we did with the, let's go over it again, the primer, the powder, and then the setting spray did a fantastic job. It did so much more smoothing and pore refining and blurring than any of my primers ever has done just by themselves. My foundation and my powders and everything on top layered really well. So this hack that I learned on TikTok is amazing, and I highly recommend that you go and try it out. I would say that I like it even more. My face feels better than whenever I did it the original TikTok way, which was the powder first and then the setting spray and then the primer and then your foundation. I like this a lot more. I feel like doing the setting spray last and the primer first really helped blur my pores even more than the previous way. I also feel like my foundation is holding on to my skin a lot better than what it did the first way that I tried it. This is going to be my new like photo shoot day, my new going out at night, makeup last all day kind of routine. It's really great. Highly recommend that you try it. The products that I used was really great and worked for me, but you know, there's a lot of setting sprays and powders and primers that you probably own that you can try this with. You can test it out, test your different products, see which ones work best together, but overall you definitely should try this TikTok hack. If you would like to see more TikTok hacks in general, and other tips and tricks, please leave them in the comments below. Also remember, I will be picking a winner from the comments to be a shout out in my next video, so drop an emoji or something so you can be entered. Also be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe to my channel if you have not yet. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah.